Hi, I'm Ron Manwaring, founder and CEO of BlindsChalet.com. Thank you so much for visiting our website. I know that choosing window coverings can feel overwhelming, especially when it comes to measuring, but I want you to know that you've got this, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way and make the process simple, stress-free, and even a little fun. Let's go.
Here's what you'll need: a steel tape measure, a step stool, and something to record your measurements. You can also download our handy measuring guide from our help section. An inside mount means your blinds will be installed within the window frame. This gives a clean, traditional built-in look. To ensure your window will allow an inside mount, start by measuring the depth of your window frame. Make sure to check for any obstructions, like window cranks or handles, that could interfere with the blinds. Next, check the specific product for its minimum and flush mounting requirements. You'll find these in the specifications section of each product. Flush mount gives the most seamless look, while minimum mount still works beautifully when the space is tight. Next, measure the width in 3 places: the top, middle, and bottom of the window opening. Measure and round down to the nearest 1/8 of an inch and record the narrowest of these 3 measurements. Always measure at an exact spot where you plan to install the blinds. Write down your measurements clearly. You can use our downloadable guide to stay organized and avoid any confusion. Now, measure the height in 3 places: left, center, and right. Record the tallest of the 3 numbers, again to the nearest 1/8 of an inch. And that's it. Just remember, don't take any deductions. Our team will handle all the adjustments for the perfect fit.